Welcome to Accra Finder, your number one information management portal. On Accra Finder, we connect you to everything happening in Ghana online. We are talking about tourism. Tourism is one of the best or the biggest medium of revenue generation for every country. Now, Accra Finder is here to connect you to every tourist site in Ghana. Do you want a trip to any tourist site in Ghana? Are you looking for any recreational activity? Are you a travel and tour agency? Do you want exposure or publicity? Simply download Accra Finder app on Play Store and App Store, or visit accrafinder.com and stay connected or get access to relevant information on every tourist attraction destination in Ghana. I am Gideon Lamptey, CEO of accrafinder.com.